Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial we're going to learn how to auto sync your computer folder to Google Drive. Okay, you can save your automatically save your computer data or folder to your Google Drive. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. This video going to be shorts and very useful to you. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, let's start with the video. So let me come to Google Drive first. Okay, so guys, in order to sync your Google computer folder to Google Drive, you have to download or install the Google Drive application to your computer or device. So come to the Google and search here download Google Drive for your PC. So search this term like Google download Google Drive for PC, and here you can see the first link. Just click on it. Okay, so here we can download from this button, which download for computer, or just click on it. Then one file will be download. After this is setup file. So after download you have to install it. After installation you will see the Google Drive option here. Okay, on your left side on corner you will see this Google Drive icon. Just click on it. Now come to the settings and go to the preference. Okay, so this window will be open. Now you can see I already logged in with my account, so you have to add your account here. You have to give permission to this Google Drive application, this account. So here you can see this is my account, and for computer you have to add folders which you want to synchronize, auto synchronize. So just click on add folder, and from here you have to add folder. I have folder likes keywords. Okay, so you can add folders from download documents. So you have to select the folder and just select the folder. So click on select the folder, then after that the folder will be selected like this, and the all files within the folder will be synchronized. Okay, so you can add multiple folders. Okay, from here. So now if you want to check your synchronized folder in your Google Drive, then come to the Google Drive. Okay, and here you can see the computer option, and here you will see the folder which is synchronized from your device computer. Okay, so for this account I don't have synchronized my folder, so here nothing you can see, but you will see the folder which is synchronized from your desktop. Okay, so that is how you can auto synchronize your computer folder to your Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.